this video, I'll show you how to change revenue attribution window in Klaviyo. Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. And if you're first time on this channel, I strongly recommend for you to subscribe. We provide a lot of value in our videos and releasing them every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so back to the topic. How do you change the attribution window, time window for revenue in Klaviyo? By default, they have a 5-day revenue attribution for emails and 1-day revenue attribution for SMS. 5 days sounds a lot, and actually it is a lot. And especially if you're working with email marketing agency or freelancer and want to figure out their effectiveness, I strongly recommend to reduce it from 5 days to 1 day. This will give you better understanding of their performance. 5 days, it's a lot, unless you don't do any form of marketing and you just rely on emails. It might be fine, but 5 days, it's just a lot. So I'll show you how to change it. Before we continue with the video, I have a short announcement to make. We are growing and we have a few spots available for new clients. And I would like to tell you about our partner program, Give $1,000, Get $1,000. How does it work? If you know anybody in your network who are e-commerce brand, online retailers, please refer them to us, and if they sign up with us, you will get $1,000 and they will get $1,000 discount toward their credit. Or if you are an e-commerce brand and you would like to work with us, we will give you $2,000 towards your first month of the retainer. Just visit flowium.com/partner and see the details of a partner program, and we have a template there, email template, which you can send it to your friend or somebody you know in e-commerce space. So this is Klaviyo account. You click and go to account, go to settings, and under settings you do email, and you scroll down, and here you see email conversion window. And by default, as I told you before, it's 5 days. For this account, SMS not enabled, but you will see it's 1 day. So I strongly recommend this from 5 days to 1 day, and click update, and it would be updated. I'll just switch back on this account. And that's it. What does 5 or 1 or 3 or whatever means? So let's say 5 days. You send email on Monday, and let's say they purchased on Friday. So whatever they purchase, that revenue, let's say they purchased something for $100, that $100 will be attributed to emails. So Klaviyo will say, hey, your email made you $100, but is it realistic? Maybe they saw you on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, and maybe a YouTube video convince them to buy. So I don't think that attribution is correct. So I strongly recommend to change it to 1 day. It will not be perfect, but it will be 80% accurate. My advice, when you grow, when you have a big team, when you have like a lot of revenue, define a lot of revenue. So if you define it yourself, but to use one attribution system, maybe Google Analytics or Glue.io or something else. Doesn't matter what Klaviyo says, what loyalty program says, what Facebook says. In one system, you define the attribution and you track everything accordingly. Because right now, if you add Klaviyo attribution, loyalty program attribution, Facebook attribution, you will probably equal to 300%, and 300% is not real. You should equal to 100%. In case you have any additional questions, please let me know, and I will be glad to answer any of them. Thank you.